House. I request the Chief Minister and along the Principal please honor the students with medals. It is 4x100 relay race from Shift 1 Boys Primary. Next secondary students, get ready.
एरोबिक्स वाले बच्चे स्टेज के पास आइए। एरोबिक्स वाले बच्चे स्टेज के पास आइए। There is an aerobics student. Come near the stage. Come near the basketball court. All aerobic students collect near the basketball court. All aerobic students collect near the basketball court. Everyone assemble near the basketball court. All aerobic students assemble near the basketball court.
Next relay race from secondary boys. First place backed by Shivaji House. Second place by Tagore House and third place by Raman House.